Hello everyone and welcome to Bullet Journaling with Eve. Today we have a real-time video where we will design one weekly spread together. You will need a bullet journal, then aquarelle pencils, brush, water, some acrylic markers, eraser, roller, and dual tip marker. I will use this one in purple. So let's go straight into it. This is my July setup. And as you can see, in my calendar, we are planning this week from 7th to 14th of July. And we already planned my travel spread together last week. As you can see, I divided my page into 4 equal spaces because I will include 8 days in this spread. I will take this purple Ohuhu Nahuku acrylic marker. I will shake it well until the colors inside are nicely combined. And then I will write down dates for each day. And this is why I really enjoy bullet journaling, because you can decide how many days you want to have in one spread. And this perfectly fits to my travel spread as well. As you know, we designed that spread from Tuesday, and if you missed that video, I will link it here. So, this week will be from Monday to Monday of the next week. So, from 7th to 14th of July. And when I am done with this, these dates that I wrote down, now I will take my Faber-Castell aquarelle pencil in dark blue and I will draw 2 small jellyfish. One of them on the right page and one of them on the left page. I will start with drawing this little bell shape at the beginning and then adding shadows with this dark blue everywhere where I think that shadow should be. So, around this. Then, I will draw the tentacles. Just 2 wiggly lines that are crossing each other. And I will do the same with the second jellyfish as well. One of you asked in the comments how I deal with my bullet journal when everything becomes overwhelming. And honestly, that's such a good question. So, here's what I do when my week feels too much. First, I let go of the idea of perfection. My bullet journal doesn't need to be pretty or complete every day. It just needs to help me breathe. Then, I usually switch to a super simple layout like this one with clear boxes, less decoration, and a space for what I call a brain dump. That's where I just write down everything that's in my head. No pressure to organize yet. I will continue answering this question, but now we are on my next step. And with the purple aquarelle pencil, I will add shadows everywhere around where I have my dark blue and add more shorter tentacles. And then I will take my light blue and I will color in everything. Okay, let me finish answering the question from the comments. So after that, when I wrote down everything, I highlight just 1 to 3 key tasks per day. These are the only ones I must get done. The rest go into a flexible section. If they don't happen, that's okay. And here it is important to pick tasks that do not take like 8 hours to complete or something like that. And honestly, just the act of writing things down by hand allows me to slow down and think. It gives me space to think and prioritize, which I often cannot do when it's all stuck in my head. I also love adding a calming quote or a little doodle, something soft and reassuring like a reminder that I'm allowed to take things slowly. And as you can see in this spread, I'm just simply drawing jellyfish that are really easy to draw, and they are still decorative, but it's not too much and it's easy to do. As you can see, it doesn't take a lot of time. This is a real-time video. And here I am at the point when I'm mixing these colors with water, and I really enjoy how these colors perfectly blend together. And while I wait for it to dry, I will take this purple dual tip marker and I will write down days for my dates. So I will start with Monday, and I will always write down just first 3 letters of each day. And I will try to do them in nice calligraphy. But yeah, when I'm overwhelmed, my bullet journal becomes my gentle guide, not another source of pressure. And if you are in that kind of week right now, you're not alone. Be kind to yourself. Your to-do list can wait. Do what makes you feel great. And, by the way, this spread will actually show up in one of my shorts as well. I already filmed a little close-up of it, so if you want a quick look at the details, keep an eye out for that as well. And now, with the ruler, I will just mark where each daily log starts and also where the daily log should end. And that's all. And if you didn't see my reflection video yet, I decided that I will be focusing more on YouTube because I really want to grow this community here. It feels more personal somehow, like we are building something together, and I love that. So, if you are also following me on Instagram and you are a little bit disappointed why I'm not posting there, I decided to go a little bit easier on myself and just focus on things that really make me feel happy, and where I have a community that we can talk together. And if you have any questions related to anything that is related to bullet journaling or prioritizing tasks, or even if you are having some trouble with how to take care of all the things that you need to do, just leave me a comment down below. If I can help you, or if I can tell you what I am doing, maybe that can help you as well. I'm not a specialist or expert or something like that, but I have some routines that help me feel better. And if that can make you feel better as well, I will be really happy to help you. And I can also recommend you some great books that I read and are like game-changing books. Now, I'm at the end of decorating my spread here, and I want to thank you for being here and watching this video in real time. I know it's really slow, but I think it turned out really nicely. We have a lot of space to write down tasks, and we also have these 2 little jellyfish decorations here. And I'm really glad that I could answer at least one of your questions in this video while I was drawing this. And I hope I will see you next week, and have a nice week. Bye!